Alright guys, got a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. I got some new rear shocks I'm going to install. These are KYB XLG and part number is right there, and it's made in Japan. That's kind of surprising. You don't see too much stuff made in Japan anymore, but these are it. Okay, let's get started. Got the back end jacked up, and that's where I got the jack stands, and then I also got the jack under the hitch, just the added safety precaution. So we'll go ahead and get the wheels off. Alright, for this top bolt, got an 18mm wrench for the nut in the back. I got an 18mm socket on the impact. Okay, top bolt is out. So when this got loose, the axle kind of dropped down, so I just took one of my mini jacks and took the pressure off it, and the bolt came right out. So now we'll just go ahead and take the bottom one out. It's the same size. Alright, so after the bottom bolts out, it just drops right out. Yeah, so that's never a good sign. I compressed this, it's not coming back. The new one, you can see, comes back out. So this van has about 80,000 on it, so it's worth replacing. Yeah, this one's not coming back at all. Alright, let's get the new one in. And it's kind of tough getting the impact on this bottom bolt, so I'll just use wrenches to tighten it. And we'll tighten the top. Alright, there it is. Got some fluid film on here too, that's what's shiny there. Already got the other side done, so we'll put the wheel back on, snug up the lug nuts, and we'll go ahead and torque those down. Okay, so then we'll torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. All right, this job's done. You know, it's pretty bad when they don't come back after being compressed. So we got the new KYB XLG. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.